everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today we are making one of the most popular Japanese side dish called chives and eggs. We call it NIRATAMA in Japanese. Nira means Chinese chives and tama is a shortened version for the Japanese word called tamago, which means eggs. It is one of the most quick menus, so you can make it in minutes, but the taste is going to be super yummy. So why don't you try making it? Alright, the main ingredients for chives and eggs are only two. The first one is, of course, cut Chinese chives, and the other one is beaten eggs. I recommend you to let the eggs out of your fridge before you start cooking and keep them in room temperature. Plus for seasoning you need salt and pepper and a little bit of soy sauce. And you need basil oil and sesame oil to heat the ingredients. I guess you go 3 steps to make chives and eggs. Step number 1 is to cut the Chinese chives into 1-inch pieces and beat the eggs in a bowl and season it with a bit of salt and pepper. Step number 2 is to pan-fry the beaten eggs with some basil oil, but please be sure to add the oil after the pan is well heated. Make a quick stir and put them back to the bowl and set aside. Step number 3 is to pan-fry the cut Chinese chives. I prefer to use sesame oil for this step, but the basil oil also goes well with it. Make a quick stir and pour just a bit of soy sauce, then put the egg back to the pan and make a final stir there. And that's it. Super easy, isn't it? So why don't we go on to step 1? The first thing you do for this step 1 is to cut the Chinese chives in inches. Alright, after you wash the Chinese chives, cut the chives into 1-inch pieces. You can throw this hard part away. Okay, that's it. Then you go on to egg stuff. Okay, why don't we beat the eggs? I use 2 eggs this time. It's all up to you how many you use. Goes like this. And season it with a bit of salt and pepper. And if you happen to have milk, you can add it. It's gonna help the beaten egg to get softened. So we're going to step 2. Step 2 is to heat the beaten egg in a frying pan, but please be sure the frying pan is well heated before you heat the egg. Basil oil, you can check it with the cybashi sticks like this. Yeah, I guess it's good. Like this. Half cooked is okay. So why don't we make it back to the bowl. Alright, why don't we go on to step 3. Step 3 is to pan-fry the Chinese chives. Right. So it's going to be cooked, so when it gets a bit soft, you can pour some soy sauce on it. And then put the eggs back to the pan. And give it a final stir. Yeah, that's it. That looks great. And the flavor is beautiful. Okay, now the chives and eggs are ready to serve. Alright, why don't we play the chives and eggs? Wow, lovely. Great. So now the chives and eggs are ready to eat. Alright, now you know to make chives and eggs is super easy, wasn't it? And it's super yummy, so why don't you try it at your home? Anyway, if you like this video, please put thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, plus subscribe. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye bye.